In a moment that has sent shockwaves across the globe, Iran finds itself grappling with a profound tragedy. Iranian President Ebrahim Raisi and the country's foreign minister have been confirmed dead following a helicopter crash. The timeline of this catastrophic event begins on a foggy morning near the Azerbaijan border. A helicopter carrying some of Iran's top officials, including President Raisi, embarked from Tehran. Unfortunately, amidst adverse weather conditions, contact was lost. As the hours ticked by, the worst fears were confirmed when the wreckage was discovered in a dense forest area of East Azerbaijan province. Search and rescue efforts faced significant challenges due to the fog and difficult terrain. Despite the valiant efforts of the responders, no survivors were found at the crash site. Among the debris, the bodies of President Raisi and the foreign minister were identified, marking a somber day in Iran's political history. President Raisi, a figure known for his hardline stance and close ties with Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, had been a controversial figure on the international stage. His policies, often seen as provocative by Western nations, included the enrichment of uranium and the support of militia groups. Domestically, his tenure was marred by economic struggles and escalating protests concerning civil liberties and women's rights. With President Raisi's untimely death, the Iranian constitution mandates that the vice president will assume temporary leadership. This interim period will last until a new president is elected, a process required to occur within 50 days. This incident isn't just a national tragedy, but also a critical juncture for Iran. It raises pressing questions about the future of its leadership and its policies both domestically and internationally. How Iran navigates this crisis could redefine its path forward and reshape its interactions on the world stage. In summary, the helicopter crash that claimed the lives of President Ebrahim Raisi and the foreign minister has plunged Iran into a state of uncertainty. With the government in temporary hands and an election looming, the eyes of the world remain fixed on how this pivotal moment will unfold. The significance of this event cannot be understated, as it holds the potential to alter the course of an already tumultuous political landscape.